What is going on, guys? Harsh here. Welcome to the video. I hope you all are well and good, and to make you even better, I am here with the home leg workout which you can do anytime, anywhere, and keep growing. So before starting the video, I just want you to tell you guys to please warm up before doing the exercise, either by jogging for 10 to 15 minutes or doing some warm up exercises, because I don't want you to hurt your knee, guys, because I have done the same mistake. I am having an injury in my right knee because I was not warming up before doing the leg workout. So I don't want you to I don't want you guys to do the same mistake. So please warm up your knees before starting this workout. At least 10 to 15 minutes of jog is enough, I guess. So there are 4 muscles involved in the leg workout: quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. And how we are going to do is that you are going to do all of the exercises which I'm going to tell you back to back, which will create one circuit, and you have to repeat that circuit for 3 times, which will complete your workout. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So of course we are going to start our workout with the squats, because squats, being a compound exercise, can alone target your quads, hamstrings, and your glutes. So how you have to do squats are that you have to go very slowly down and come up in a very slow manner, guys, because of course no weight, so we have to do it in a very controlled manner. And you can see that I am doing the squats by I'm going little bit deep. I'm crossing the 90-degree angle with the ground and then doing the squat. Same you have to do, guys, and please don't forget to keep your back straight, because I have also seen many people, they actually tend to bend their back. So you have to keep your back straight, hands in the front, because they will help you to make the balance for the squats, and then go down and come up in a very slow and controlled manner. So the second exercise of today is going to be the single leg hip thrust. It is one of the best exercise for your glute, guys. I am telling you, you are going to feel it the next day. So how you have to do this exercise is that you have to lie down on the ground and then keep your one leg in the air towards the ceiling, and then the second leg try to push the ground, and when you come up, then try to contract your glutes, because it will help you to actually grow your glutes even better. And when you go down, it might be a little bit difficult to stretch it, but the major thing in this exercise is to contract the glutes when you go up. So when you go up, don't forget to contract them as hard as you can. So moving on to the third exercise, it is going to be the jump squats, and I'm telling you guys, this exercise is not going to be easy. So how you have to do this exercise is that you have to do the normal squat, but when you come up, then you have to actually push the ground and go up in the air as high as you can, and then you repeat that process again. And this exercise not only helps you to burn even more calories than the regular squats, but also helps you to actually generate the explosive power in your legs. So when you do the real squats, then it will be very easy to do them if you are actually very good at this exercise. So don't skip this exercise, guys. It is one of the best exercise to generate the explosive power in your legs. So the next exercise is going to be for your hamstrings, which is going to be the alternating single leg deadlift. So how you have to do this exercise is that you have to keep your one leg straight, and you have to go and touch the ground, which will actually stretch your hamstrings. So bending your back a little bit in this exercise is okay, but you do have to keep your legs straight. And also I think that some people can actually not go and touch their ground, so you have to go as far as you can, and unless you feel that stretch in your hamstrings, and then you come up again, try to squeeze, and then when you go down, then stretch as hard as you can. This exercise is very nice for your hamstrings, guys, I'm telling you. So fifth exercise is going to be the Bulgarian split squat. This is one of my favorite exercise, guys, because it not only actually helps you to target your leg muscle, but also helps you to include your core muscles, because in this exercise you have to actually maintain your balance while doing the exercise. So how you have to do this exercise is that you have to keep your one leg on the chair or on the bench, and with the second leg you have to go down as deep as possible. Make sure that you actually surpass the 90-degree angle of the ground, because that will only help you to actually build your legs and target your hip and thigh muscles. So actually when you come up, then contract your quads, and when you go down, then don't forget to stretch your glutes, because this exercise is actually very nice to stretch your glutes. So the next exercise is going to be for our calves, which is going to be the calf raise. And this is very simple exercise, guys, that you have to actually go on one leg and then perform the calf raise, you can also take the support from some wall or some chair, and then perform only by one leg, because it will actually help you to increase the intensity in the exercise, and go as high as you can with the toes, because that will help you to contract your calves and include them even more. Moving on to the next exercise, it is going to be the alternating side lunge. This exercise not only helps you to actually target your leg muscles, but also helps you to actually increase your dynamic balance and flexibility of your body. So how you have to do this exercise is that you have to keep your legs in a very wide stance, and then start doing the squats on one leg, and keep your hands either behind your head or in front, because it will help you to actually keep your balance. And again, when you come up, then contract your quads, and then when you go down, I know that some people can actually have some problem in going down because of the flexibility issues, so just keep doing this exercise, guys. It takes a little bit time to create the habit, so you will be able to do this better with a little bit of practice. And the final exercise of today is going to be the squat hold. This is one of the best exercise to give that final burn of the workout, guys. And not only the burn, it also actually helps you to increase the mobility of your squats. So how you have to do this exercise is that I am suggesting you to do wall squats rather than the normal squat holds, because they can get a little bit difficult for some people. So in wall squats holds, what you have to do is that you have to lean down on the wall or on the surface at the 90-degree angle of your legs, and then hold there for at least 45 seconds or 1 minute. It will help you to give that final burn. It is the best exercise, guys, I'm telling you. So again, guys, you have to do all of these exercises back to back, which will create one circuit, and you have to repeat that circuit for 3 times. Then only you will be able to complete the workout. So this is it for this video, guys. If you got a little bit value from this video, please subscribe to the channel, like, share, comment. See you in the next video. Ciao.